you ever go to organize your closet or your storing space and you want to hang up anything with the stick, whether it be a shovel or a broom or what have you, and those clamps never seem to really work. You really almost have to lie them on the ground and lean them up against the stand. Until this was sent to me to do this review, they gave me close to no instructions other than saying that this will hold 5 broomsticks and you can still hang 4 additional items from it. It's really innovative, really different. Let us send it to you. And I was like, fine, let's give it a shot, right? So then it came in and opened up. In my mind, I'm thinking, well, all kinds of cool ways I could use this in here. And then I open it up and I see this and I'm like, oh man, that is so freaking cool. There are so many ways I can use this that I've confused myself, and I feel like I need to get more of them so I can do this big elaborate thing. But I wanted to show you them here just so you can see how it actually works. So obviously these are the hooks. These are spring loaded and with a plastic grippy surface there, so it'll hold the handle of whatever you put in there. So let me just show you real quick. Let's say this is our broomstick. Put the broomstick in there. Look at that. Look how secure that is. That is so freaking cool. I just love this. I am so excited about this. There's so many ways I can use this. It's just my brain's going. I'm excited to use this. I think you should be excited too, because this is definitely a game changer. Because like I said, everything in my house so far, it had to be like sitting like this, right? To support the broom or the mop or the shovel, whatever you're hanging. Otherwise, eventually it just falls down. But this way, it just retains it itself, and it can be at the level that you actually want it to be at. Anyway, you should definitely get this for yourself. The kit actually, just so you know, comes with the hardware to mount it in a wall if you want to do that. 2-sided tape and some very simple instructions. I'm not sure how many instructions you could need for this, but this thing is an absolute must-have. If you're trying to organize your garage, your house, whatever it is, you should definitely get this. There's a link here on the screen or down below. Both work the same way, neither one costs you anything extra to use those. If I've added some value, if you found this as cool as I did, please like the video, follow the channel, and if you have any questions about it or ideas, cool things that I could use this for, because I'm thinking I could hang my RC cars from them, all kinds of crazy stuff going on in this little brain. If you have ideas, put them down in the comments. I really wanted to know about them because there's so many interesting ways to use this. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.